Tonight, Leo and Maya go out for dinner. It starts like a normal evening. But small problems can change everything. Listen carefully and speak when I ask you. If you think the pace is fast, slow it down through the app settings. As you get more comfortable, you can increase the pace. Let's begin.
I'm so tired today.
Me too. Let's go out for dinner.
Good idea. Maybe a new restaurant?
Okay, let's try it.
Your turn. Answer the question out loud. Don't just think it, say it. What do you usually do when you are tired? You can start with, when I am tired, I usually because. Here's an example. When I'm tired, I usually watch TV because I want to relax. Now pause and say your answer out loud. Next question. Do you prefer eating at home or outside? Start with, I prefer because. Say your answer out loud now. Don't skip this. Say it again, this time faster. Let's continue.
My friend told me about a Greek restaurant.
Greek food? Sounds interesting.
Okay, let's go there.
Your turn. Do you like trying new food? Use this. I don't like trying new food because. Here's an example. I like trying new food because it is exciting. Now try again with another reason. One more. Would you try Greek food? Start with, I wouldn't try it because. Take your time and say it out loud. Now, let's see if Maya and Leo are going to a Greek restaurant.
Let's call first.
Good idea.
The phone's ringing. Hi, do you have a table for two?
Yes, at 8:30 tonight.
Great, we'll take it.
Wonderful. Can I have your name, please?
Maya.
Thank you, Maya. We'll see you at 8:30.
Thank you very much.
It's your turn to speak again. What do you say when you call a restaurant? Use this. Hello, do you have a table for? Go ahead and say your answer. How will you respond when they ask you, what time would you like to reserve a table? Try saying, at, please, or, I'd like a table at, please. Say it out loud now. Let's continue. Leo and Maya are on their way to the restaurant.
It's nice outside.
Yes, it's a good evening for a walk.
Did you bring your wallet?
Wait, I think I forgot it.
You're joking, right?
No, I really don't have it.
It's your turn to speak again. What would you do if you forgot your wallet? Use this. I would, because. For example, I would go home because I need my wallet. You can try it now. Now let's see what Leo and Maya decide to do.
We can go back home.
Let's try anyway. Maybe I can pay with my phone.
That could work. Let's go and see.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Maya.
Yes, I see it. Right this way, please.
Before we order, I just wanted to check. Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, but sometimes it is slow. You may need to wait.
That's all right. I'm just glad I can pay with my phone.
It's your turn now. What would you do if you have to wait a long time to pay? You could say, I would wait patiently and maybe check my phone. Now you try.
Here's your table.
Thank you.
This place looks really nice.
Yes, it feels very Greek. What should we order?
I think I'll try something traditional.
I want to try something new.
Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the chicken souvlaki, please.
Thank you. And for you?
I'll try this. Musuka? That doesn't sound quite right.
Musaka.
Musaka. Okay, I'll have that.
Great choice.
Your turn. What do you say if you can't pronounce a word? You can ask, "How do you say this?" Or, "Sorry, can you say it again?" Now say it out loud again. Another question. What would you order in a restaurant? Use this. "I would like to order, please." Now you try. Let's continue.
Oh, the food was really good. Wait,
What?
my phone battery is at 5%.
Uh-oh.
Your turn to speak. What would you do if your phone battery is low? You can say, "I would, because." Now try it out loud. Great. Now let's see if Leo can pay with his phone.
Oh, I hope the payment goes through before the battery dies.
Me too. Otherwise, we might have to wash the dishes.
Please don't say that.
It worked.
Oh, thank you.
Finally! I was really worried. But everything is okay now.
Your turn. Tell me, do small problems make you nervous? You can say, "Yes, because," or "No, because." Don't skip this. Speak your answer out loud.
Next time, I will check my wallet.
Good idea. But all in all, it was a great evening.
One final speaking task. Talk about a small problem you had recently. You can describe it in 3 sentences. First, what happened? Then, what the problem was. And finally, the result. Take your time and say it out loud. And that's the story you just stepped into. A simple dinner, a forgotten wallet, a dying phone. And you didn't just listen, you practiced speaking English and got a little more fluent. Congratulations! See you in the next video.